Hello everyone, I'm Caste and today I'm launching Vevee. What is Vevee? Vevee is a metering and analytics layer you add to every AI app you will build. If you are tired for every AI app to write all the logic of metering, limit users, calculate user cost, Vevee solves this problem first. Not only this, I've just launched a new brand feature called Compose. It's really powerful because since you can metering and see what user does in your app, with all this data, you can send this to AI and create personalized pages, paywall, everything for that specific user. Let's see some example of paywall, and this paywall converted more than normal paywall. For example, for this specific student, he tried the PDF analyzer and the topic was exam revision study docs. The paywall that converted was not the boring one, was one crafted of what this user have used and done inside the app itself. See the pain point? Ace your exams with instant sketch notes. And this, for example, for the teacher, for the marketer. Every paywall, every page is personalized for the user who's seeing, and this is the killer feature. This is the overview, the overall dashboard, where you can see in 30 days, my users have spent $24. At first, you just define a plan. For this website, a user can generate only 2 images, can call a large language model for max $7, and they have other events that not consume money, but I want to limit their usage. For example, they can only analyze 3 links. We have the atomic reservation, very important, because if a user calls 10 times in the same time the same model, most of code would break, but not Vevee. But Vevee actually reserve the slots, so parallel calls will not bypass the user limits. As I said, it's very simple. You create a client, you reserve the event you want to use, and then you can check. If not okay, means he can generate. If okay, you just generate and then commit. You can also store the prompt user had, the result user had, everything. And of course, per user, we can see everything. Now for the analytics, you can track everything user does in your app. You can track what page he visits, the flow, and see the retention rate, for example, for an onboarding. You can see the success rate for your paywall without any limit. Once we've defined our analytics, we can create funnels with it and see, as I said, the retention. For example, this is the paywall retention. And also is the attributes. What are the attributes? The attributes are identifiers, the trait of a user. For example, inside the onboard. For example, who is this person? A teacher, a student, a content creator. Why he want to use this app? What the main feature he would like to use? We have metering. We know what and how user using our app. We have analytics. We know how user act in our app. We have attributes, so we know who the people are. If we combine all these three, we can just call an AI that will craft anything we want, personalized for this specific user. So the more user use your app, the more personalized it will get. And you can check all things Vevee has to offer to your AI apps. Stop rewriting the same logic again and again and just use Vevee.